Okay, friends, welcome to all of you. Myself, Professor Mesinamke Pooja Suresh, Sadhguru College of Agriculture, Mirasgaon, Department Soil Science and Agricultural Chemistry. So, friends, today we have discussed about importance of biochemistry. So, first of all, what is meant by biochemistry? So, biochemistry can be defined as the science concerned with chemical nature and chemical behavior of a living matter. So that is meant by biochemistry. The term biochemistry coined by the Carl Newberg. So this scientist he is discovered the only term coined the term biochemistry. And Antony Lavoisier, he is the father of biochemistry. Then in case of what are the actual importance of biochemistry in agriculture? So you know that agriculture is totally research work. So with the help of this biochemistry, so many research are completed. So what are the actual importance? So first one, to evaluate the nutritive value of cereals and pulses. Then development and exploitation of better genotype. With the help of better genotype, you have discovered the new varieties. So third one, importance of biochemistry to evaluate the nutritive value of cattle and poultry feed. Then removal or inactivation of toxic and anti-nutritional factor present in the food grain in general and the grain legumes in particular. For example, BOAA, beta oxaloacetic acid. They are present. These toxic substances they are present into the lag dal. Lag dal is similar to the red gram or chana dal. So this inactive these toxic substance they are with the help of the biochemistry you have inactivate this toxic substance, and also they are removing these anti-nutritional factor from different food material with the help of this biochemistry. Then food preservation, it is very important, but which type of preservative you have adding to the or preserving the food. So with the help of biochemistry you have to preserve the food. Then processing technology and post harvest physiology of fruit crop and vegetables and their qualities. Biochemistry of diseases and pest resistance in plant. Then biochemistry of drought resistance variety. With the help of biochemistry you have discovered the drought resistance variety. Then use of non-conventional source of food, and the last one important, synthesis and degradation of constituent of living tissue. So these are the importance of biochemistry. With the help of biochemistry the agriculture field are developed. So then next one important part, scope of biochemistry. Biochemistry they have depending upon the four scope of the four scope. So first one is the nature and chemical constituent of a living matter and the chemical substance produced by living things. Then second one, the functions and transformation of chemical entities in biological systems. Third one, scope of biochemistry is the chemical and energetic changes associated with the transformation in the activity of living matter. So these are the scope of biochemistry. Then last one, scope, the modern biochemistry has two branches. First one branch is the descriptive branch, descriptive biochemistry, and second one is the dynamic biochemistry. So in case of this descriptive biochemistry, you have checked the qualitative and quantitative characterization of various cell component in case of descriptive biochemistry. And second one part is the dynamic biochemistry. With the help of this dynamic biochemistry you have elucidation of natures and mechanization of reaction involving in a cell components. So these are the two types of modern biochemistry. One is the descriptive biochemistry and second is the dynamic biochemistry. So in case of modern biochemistry, enzymology, then clinical biochemistry and molecular biochemistry are newly emerging branches of the modern biochemistry. Also similar as per the descriptive and dynamic, but you have studied In this biochemistry, only these two biochemistry, descriptive biochemistry and dynamic biochemistry. So these are the scope of biochemistry. Thank you.